Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make sure that your microphone is working properly within the Nvidia app. In order to do so, here we are in the Nvidia app, and what you're probably going to be using your microphone for, if you're using it for anything, is going to be for screen recording. So if you're trying to record your screen and it's not triggering your microphone for whatever reason, you're not sure why, well, if you come to the Nvidia app and you look through the settings, you're not going to find any information related to your microphone settings. What we're looking for here, if you see where it says overlay, and you can see here that it says Alt-Z for the overlay. So we're going to press Alt-Z for the overlay, and that's going to open up our NVIDIA overlay. And this is where our settings are that we are interested in making sure that everything is set correctly. So the first thing that you want to make sure of is right here where it says microphone. I have mine set to always on. You can also set it to push to talk, or it can also be off. So just want to make sure that that's not set to off. And if it's set to push to talk, then you have to take that into consideration if you want to trigger the microphone. I have mine set to always on, and you might want to do that as well. The next thing we want to take a look at is the settings icon up here. If we click on that, then you'll see here we have the audio section. And this is the next thing that might be causing some problems, is that your microphone source might not be set correctly within the source setting here. So just make sure that your microphone is set correctly. And of course, make sure that your microphone is also set to either always on or push to talk, depending on what your preference is. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.